Subscribe and click on the bell icon to be the first to see the latest videos.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Vinay Kumar Agrawal. I am presently associated with Bharat Aluminium Company Limited, Vedanta Resource Company. Today's session, the first half which we attended was very fruitful, and we came to know the various insights and the current commercial market, how the commercial function is moving towards digitization, and what are the various ways through which we can increase our governance and reduce the manual intervention. We also learned few of the good practices of many industries which they follow, and I think it will be beneficial for all the other delegates who have come here, so that they can copy each and every rich experience and the good practices which has been shared by all the other companies. Thank you.
My name is Raghvan Santhanam, and I'm the country head supply chain management for India and Nepal at Standard Chartered Bank. I must congratulate Transformance for conducting such a great event on procurement and its trends. This is timely, as you know, artificial intelligence and other technology aspects are taking over procurement. So this was a timely event, and once again, congratulations.
Hi, I'm Akshay Hegde. I'm the co-founder and managing director at Shakedeal. So I would like to say that I feel so far this has been an amazing event, and this is kudos to Transformance for putting this up and bringing the brightest minds in the procurement space together. There are a lot of interesting topics for the next gen and the next wave of technology adoption in the procurement space. And it's been a pleasure to be a part of all the panel discussions and all the networking sessions around here. For us, it's been key because this is our TG, and that's why we thought we had to be over here, and that's how this led to our partnership with Transformance.
Hi, myself Nilesh Varwadkar. I'm from Travelex India Private Limited. This is my first event which I'm attending. The organization and the speech which has been delivered in this event is very well. It is knowledgeable for me, and definitely I'm carrying a lot of input from here, and I wish all the best for the people, those who have participated and those who are waiting for the award function. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Amit Savan. I'm from Siemens Limited, Mumbai. I'm here basically to learn more about the next gen procurement. Though we are already into the digitalization sector, there are some more aspects which was discussed during the morning session. Definitely, I'm looking for the second session as well. We want to know what's next in procurement, and this is basically which is what is getting covered in today's session. So we are liking it basically, and thanks for inviting. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Santosh Reddy. I'm a co-founder and CTO of Shakedeal. We are a bulk sourcing marketplace, one of the largest in India. Now, coming to the Procurement Tech Summit itself, this is our first participation in the event, and so far, because we are in the procurement space, it has been really good. The kind of interactions what we are able to achieve, and the kind of contacts what we are seeing, and also the insights about the newest technologies and how the companies are using has been really helpful, and that's one of the reasons why we wanted to be part of this, and also one of the gold partnerships, mainly because we see the value such kind of procurement tech summits can help, especially in the procurement domain, and as well as established startups like us. We are very grateful that we are here, and looking forward to see such kind of many such events from the team, and we would be really glad to be there next time as well.